How to download or install Lightroom in PC or computer. Hello everybody. If you are wondering how you can do it, you may follow up these simple steps. So for that, you may open up your browser, any of the browser you prefer. And once you open a browser, just go ahead and search for Lightroom. And you should be finding different downloading methods. You can directly head over to Lightroom official one. We have this available on Microsoft Store as well. So just go ahead and open up one of them. For example, in Microsoft Store, once you go ahead and open it up, you should be finding a download option directly on your screen. Just go ahead and click on download, and it may take about some minutes in order to download it. Once it is downloaded, it will appear in the top like this. All you gotta do is simply open it up on your file manager and then start up the installation process by opening it up, and it should be downloaded on your PC or computer. So that is it for now. You may follow up this method in order to download Adobe Lightroom on your PC or computer. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials, and we will see you on the next video.